AI can't cultivate community. AI can't create a tribe. It can't nurture a community around your business. And it doesn't have authentic connections or commitment to adding value beyond the products and services, does it?
Human connection is what sets us apart from online retailers.
I think what makes us entrepreneurs so interesting now is compared to like traditional corporate businesses like Coca-Cola and Nestle, Unilever, they're big companies and they're doing really well. I'm not knocking them.
Don't come at us.
But don't sue me, Coke, if you're watching, or Pepsi. I'm watching you, or you're watching me. But the thing that makes small businesses unique, what adds an extra element of masala and spice and flavor, is really the community that you're creating around it, compared to something like a robot can create or an automated company can create.
Yeah.
An automated process.
Yeah.
The personality really shines through in the community level, like, you know, like craft beer or people who use specific products that they're really passionate about. Even like Apple, which is a big, massive corporation for sure. What makes it so amazing is it's able to cultivate community around its products. People absolutely become obsessed with Apple and they become like Apple fanboys.
Yeah.
Right? And community is something that AI can't create. AI can't create a tribe.
Yeah, like companies like, you know, off the top of my head, one of my favorite entrepreneurs, did I just say favorite? One of my favorite entrepreneurs is Sarah Blakely, the founder and I guess inventor of Spanx, and just the level of a following that she has created. And this was in the early noughts, you know, this is like years ago, many years before AI. But could AI replicate something like that kind of following and dedication to a brand? The next thing we've got is elevate ethical business practices. So if I look at like certain content creators, you know, in specific, again, top of my head, Mr. Beast, and the amount of philanthropy work he does, the amount of charity work and how much he gives back to people in need. And if we look at, you know, could AI achieve something like that? Could it have that level of leadership? And like here we've got AI lacks the moral compass.
I think as a solopreneur, that can be your superpower. That can take you to the next level and people can resonate with you even more because of that ethical business practice. And obviously you're not doing it just purely for good PR and making yourself look good.
Yeah.
You generally do care about these ethical business practices.
Yeah.
But I think that's one thing that can differentiate you again from those people that are just creating content using AI, spewing out loads of content to like authentic leadership. Again, back to solopreneurs that are showing authentic leadership, like Mr. Beast, like the Allbirds shoe company. There's loads. You can think of other companies, right?
Yeah.
That use sustainability as their main practice, like Apple again.
Yeah. I mean, yeah, we're seeing a lot of that. And like, I just think that people, again, like you can use the AI to help you create something, to help give you ideas. But I think the overall driver behind a great brand or content creator or business is that sense of purpose and leadership. And I think once again, it just comes back down to AI as a tool. It cannot replace that leadership.
No, it can't. It physically can't.
Driven by some kind of purpose. And that purpose could even be something very personal or giving back. Yeah. You know, to not just to charities, but also giving back to your family, to friends.
Exactly.
Just being more to society.
Like we watched this guy called Mr. Who's the Boss?
Yeah.
Aaron, really great guy on YouTube, one of the biggest tech reviewers. And he did a whole video on how he brought a car for his mum.
Yeah. Yeah.
And like that was like amazing because it showed that human connection of like, wow, you've become so successful and you're giving back to your family.
Yeah.
And like we as viewers really resonate to that.
We do.
Yeah.
I mean, how cool is it to hand over the keys to a brand new car to your mum or your dad? I mean, that's really cool, I think.
Beautiful. Making me want to cry now. And you know, because we resonate to things like that. We can identify like what that would be like for us to contribute to our family. And you know, our parents are important to us, our brothers and sisters are important, our family. And if we can show that love and connection through just this camera that we're looking at right now, then we're going to be more in tune to our audience.
Yeah.
So I think the next bit is like inspiration. Like, I think we've touched on this before, but does AI move, touch, inspire you? Does it change your life there and then? Sorry, let me explain this a bit better. If the content you're creating doesn't make a life-changing effect on your audience, if you don't watch, say, like Ali Abdaal's video, and you don't feel inspired to like create your own business, create your own book, create your own YouTube channel, if it doesn't give you that inspiration through their journey, resilience, and passion, then it won't be an effective piece of content either. Because ultimately, you have to motivate others to create like a ripple effect of positive change that extends far beyond what your business is.
Yeah.
And I think that's the power of solopreneurs. Again, it's the power of inspiration that solopreneurs create. And it's kind of what we're saying before. But I really want to touch on this inspiration, the ability to really inspire, motivate, and touch other people, your audience, your clients.
Yeah. If I'm going to be totally honest, there have been very few times that AI has given me something which, really moved, touched, and inspired me. There have been some cases, like we use AI for our podcast, idea generations, and just to give us some sort of subtopics. And that's really great. And it's helped so much. And it gives us ideas to work on. But I've never sat there and gone, oh my God, this is just inspiring me to... It's always been the stuff that's come out of me that I think has inspired me. I don't mean to sound really egotistical there, but I'm just saying like that is the stuff I can relate to.
You got to have the passion and the drive to really make a difference.
Right.
Otherwise, AI won't work for you.
No.
I think if you're trying to do get rich quick schemes where you're just trying to get as many subscribers and spew out again tons
using AI,
it's not going to work long term. I don't think compared to like traditional,
and
not compared to content creation.
I think people can sniff through that. People can sniff that out. They can sniff out inauthenticity.
Yeah.
I just think that, us with our human connections, we know when someone's being purely genuine and authentic, as opposed to just coming up with some stuff on AI and then trying to create content that way. Yeah, I think you can sniff that out.
You can sniff it out, definitely, like a little doggy. Little doggy.
Hey there, thank you so much for watching this clip. To watch the full episode, click here. If you want more awesome content like this to help you soar to new heights and break your limiting beliefs, don't forget to subscribe.